Hey everybody, this is Brian with AutoSmart, and we're standing here at Miller Sports Center out in Lanark, Illinois. And I'm standing here with Matt Miller, and we're excited to talk about the event this weekend. So Matt, you want to give us a little details?
Sure. Yeah, we're doing our open house here at our shop from 8 to 6 on Friday. Saturday is from 10 to 4, or 8 to 4, and Sunday is 10 to 4. We'll be here. We've got boats set up like crazy around here. We're really excited this year about having Jack's Wax products. So the Captain Jack's line, looking forward to doing business with Brian and getting these boats shined up the way they should have been from the factory.
So we've got some exciting news. We're going to do a special announcement Saturday, probably right around noon, so watch us on Facebook Live. We will have a full lineup of the Jack's Wax product line and also the new product for boats called Captain Jack. So stay tuned, come on out and check out the boat show this weekend here at Miller Sports Center.